Have you ever had this feeling? One day you understand everything in English, and the next day you understand nothing. And you start thinking, what happened to me? Did my English become worse? Don't worry, this is completely normal. And today, I'm going to explain why this happens and how you can fix it. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome to this A2 English listening practice. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. Why do we sometimes understand English very well, and other times we understand almost nothing? This happens to every learner, even people at higher levels. And believe me, you are not the only one. I also experience this when I listen to other languages. Part 1. Why this happens. So the first reason is very simple. Reason 1. Every person has their own speaking style. Some people speak slowly. Some people speak very fast. Some people open their mouth clearly. Some people mumble and don't pronounce words well. And because of this, your experience changes every day. For example, yesterday, maybe you watched a YouTuber who speaks clearly and slowly, so you understood almost everything. And today, you listen to someone with a fast or unclear speaking style, and suddenly you feel like you understand nothing. But the truth is, your English didn't get worse. The speaking style simply changed. Part 2. Listener differences. Another important point is that Reason 2. Some speakers are easy for you, but not for other learners. Maybe you understand me well, but another learner from Spain or Brazil might not understand me easily. And maybe you struggle with another speaker that they find super easy. It depends on your experience, the type of content you watch, and the vocabulary you already know. So again, it's not your fault. It's just a different style. Part 3. And it's because of this. Sometimes you feel confident. I'm good at listening. And sometimes you feel discouraged. Oh no, my English is terrible. But this emotion is not real. It's just your brain reacting to different voices and different styles.
A2 Listening Script Part 2. Part 4. How to improve your listening and understand more speakers. Now, let's talk about how you can improve your listening and understand more speakers. Step 1. Listen to different people. Don't only watch one YouTuber or listen to one podcast. Try to listen to different voices, accents, and speaking styles. For example, one day, watch a slow English teacher. The next day, watch a fast YouTuber. Then, listen to a conversation between two friends. This way, your brain gets used to different ways of speaking, and slowly, you will understand more and more people. Step 2. Learn more words and phrases. The second step is vocabulary. The more words and phrases you know, the easier it is to understand different speakers. Why? Because every speaker uses different words and expressions. Some people use slang. Some people use idioms. If you know only 50% of the words, you will understand only 50% of the sentences. So try to learn new words every day and also repeat the words you already know. This will make understanding different speaking styles much easier. Step 3. Don't give up. Even if you know many words, some people are still hard to understand. Why? Because speaking style is not only vocabulary, it's also pronunciation, accent, speed, rhythm, the way they emphasize words. So it's normal if you don't understand everything. Be patient and keep practicing. Remember, listening is a skill, and skills take time to improve. Part 5. Your daily listening practice. Here is a simple plan for your daily practice. 10 minutes, content you understand easily, like this video. 10 minutes, content that is a little harder, native speaker, clear. 10 minutes, content that is challenging, conversation, fast speech. By doing this every day, your brain learns to understand different styles, and your listening will improve faster than you think.
Now, let's talk about advanced tips to understand even the hardest speakers. Listen to conversations between two people. When two people talk, you hear different accents and styles in one video. Try podcasts, YouTube interviews, or TV shows with dialogues. Use transcripts if possible. Read the words while you listen. This helps your brain match spoken words with written words. Later, try listening without reading to test yourself. Repeat and shadow speakers. Shadowing means repeat what the speaker says immediately. This improves pronunciation and understanding at the same time. Be consistent. Listening skill grows slowly. Even 15 to 20 minutes every day is better than 2 hours in one day. Part 7. Encouragement. Remember, everyone has days when understanding is hard. It doesn't mean your English is bad. It's normal because speaking styles are different. If you practice every day, use different speakers, learn new words and phrases, and shadow and repeat, then soon you will understand most people, even fast or difficult speakers. English listening is a journey. Be patient, enjoy the process, and keep learning every day. Closing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand why some days are easier than others and how to improve your listening. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.